this problem, we want to find the zeros of the polynomial function. So we got f of x is equal to x to the third plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Now find the zeros. That means we're going to set it equal to 0. So we'll set x to the third plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. And want to solve this. Fundamental theorem of algebra says that your largest power tells you how many answers you're going to have. So we're going to have 3 answers. So let's go put the polynomial on y1 and 0 on y2 on our calculator. I'm going to press y equals. Ignore this part. I'm going to shut off the statistic part I was working with earlier. Okay, so go to your y equals, clear, and we'll have x to the third. So I do x caret 3. Remember, if you got one of the newer TI-84s, you have to do a right arrow key to get it out of exponent mode. Plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. And we'll down arrow to y2 and put a 0 there. This process does not work unless you have a 0 on y2. Then I'll do second trace, choose intersect. Now remember, our answers are where it crosses the x-axis. It looks like this first one is maybe -3, -4. So I'll do enter on first curve. It's asking for second curve now. Do enter on it. And for the guess, let me put in -4. And press enter. And we'll find whichever answer is closest to it. And you see it found x equals -3. So that's our first answer. Now we have 2 other places where it crosses the x-axis, so we have to go through this process 2 more times. So we do second enter, or second trace, sorry. Then we'll choose intersect. Enter on first curve, enter on second curve. It looks like -1, so let me put in -1. Doesn't hurt to actually guess what you think the answer is. And it says -1. Again, our answers are where it crosses the x-axis. And we got one more. It looks like 2, but let's do it anyway. I'll do second trace, choose intersect, enter on first curve, enter on second curve, and I'll put in 2 for the guess and press enter. And it comes back and tells us that intersection is x equals 2. Now our largest power is the third power. It means we have 3 answers. We found all 3 via the calculator. Since I found all 3 via the calculator, I don't need to do any synthetic division. Those are answers.